Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the top 4 turtle foods for red-eared sliders. Watch till the end to learn from the list. Our list begins with live animal proteins. Animal proteins are a critical turtle food suitable for your red-eared slider. These live prey are vital because they allow the red-eared turtle to exercise its hunting skills. Some live prey you can feed the red-eared turtle include silkworms, crickets, earthworms, and aquatic snails. It would be best if you cut worms into smaller pieces for the younger turtles, however. For much larger turtles, large prey such as feeder fish and tadpoles can form part of their live prey diet. Live fish leads to mental stimulation of the turtle and can be a good source of calcium. However, it is advisable to sparingly feed your red-eared turtle feeder fish because they are carriers of bacteria and parasites, and some, like mackerel, smelt, and goldfish, are oily and may lead to a vitamin E and vitamin B1 deficiency. Vegetables and aquatic plants. Vegetables and aquatic plants are also key components of a red-eared turtle. Naturally, red-eared turtles are omnivorous reptiles who spend more of their childhood eating animal protein and more of their adulthood eating vegetables. Vegetables such as lettuce, dandelion greens, water lilies, collard and mustard greens, and aquatic plants such as duckweed, water lettuce, chickweed, fairy moss, anacarus, and water lilies are highly recommended to these turtles. Other vegetables you can feed the red-eared turtle include carrots, green beans, and squash. It is highly recommended to avoid feeding the red-eared turtles vegetables exposed to herbicides or pesticides. Turtle pellets. Supplements are essential in the diet of a red-eared turtle, but should not account for more than 25% of the diet. These supplements provide the vitamins and minerals the turtles need to satisfy their nutritional needs. Uniquely, red-eared turtles eat underwater, hence the need for pellets rather than supplements. Rotating multiple commercial supplements to achieve balanced nutrition and sensory enrichment using pellets is critical. When feeding pellets to red-eared turtles, choose small pellets for juvenile turtles because they sink to the bottom. Larger pellets, on the other hand, float, hence suitable for feeding adult red-eared turtles. Cuttlebone. Another turtle food required by a red-eared turtle is cuttlebone. Cuttlebone provides the turtle calcium carbonate, preventing calcium deficiency problems such as MBD. Additionally, chewing the cuttlebone helps trim the turtle's beak. Which is best? Live animal protein and vegetables are the best turtle foods for red-eared turtles. Red-eared turtles are omnivorous. Younger ones are more inclined to eat live animal protein, while older ones eat more vegetables. Additionally, live protein encourages the sharpening of the hunting skills of the red-eared turtle. Thanks for watching.